Hey there! Let's explore some cool things we can make from fruits. From tasty juices to yummy pies and even refreshing sorbets. Let's dive in. Fruit juice. A drink made by extracting juice from fruits. Jam jelly. A sweet spread made by cooking fruit and sugar. Fruit salad. A dish made by mixing various fresh fruits. Smoothies. Blended drinks made with fruit, milk, or yogurt. Fruit pie. A dessert made with a crust and fruit filling. Fruit chips. Thin slices of fruit, dried or baked until crispy. Dried fruits. Fruits that have been dehydrated for preservation. Fruit sorbet. A frozen dessert made from fruit and sugar. Fruit leather. A chewy, dried fruit snack made from pureed fruit. Canned fruits. Fruits that have been preserved in cans. Fruit muffins. Soft, baked goods made with mashed or chopped fruit. Fruit candies. Sweets made from concentrated fruit flavor and sugar. Fruit lollipops. Sweets made by coating fruit flavor in sugar. Fruit-based ice cream. Frozen dessert made with fruit puree or juice. Fruit vinegar. Vinegar made by fermenting fruit juice. Fruit wine. Alcoholic beverage made from fermented fruit juice. Fruit pudding. A dessert made by cooking fruit with milk and sugar.